When it comes to maintaining the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your commercial property in Frederick, one of the most important elements to consider is the condition of your windows. While they might seem like simple features of a building, windows play a crucial role in everything from energy efficiency to security. Over time, windows can become outdated, inefficient, or damaged, making window replacement an essential investment for any commercial property owner. Here are several reasons why replacing your windows is crucial for your Frederick property. Improved energy efficiency. Older windows, particularly those with single glazing or poor insulation, can lead to significant energy loss. In a region like Frederick, where temperatures can fluctuate drastically between seasons, maintaining a consistent indoor climate is essential. Old windows can allow drafts in winter and heat in during summer, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. This leads to higher energy bills and reduced comfort for employees, clients, and tenants. Modern commercial windows are designed to provide better insulation, reducing heat loss and gain. With energy-efficient windows, you can significantly lower your heating and cooling costs. Not only does this help reduce operational expenses, but it also contributes to a more sustainable business model by decreasing your carbon footprint. In fact, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can often lead to rebates and incentives from utility companies, making it an even more attractive investment. Enhanced aesthetic appeal. First impressions matter, especially in a competitive business environment. Your property's exterior speaks volumes to potential clients, tenants, and customers. Outdated or worn-out windows can give the impression of neglect, impacting your business's image. New windows can revitalize the look of your commercial property, improving curb appeal and attracting more attention from people passing by. Modern windows come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes that can complement the design of your building. Whether you want sleek, contemporary windows or something more traditional, there's a replacement option that can match your vision and give your property a fresh, professional look. Increased property value. Investing in commercial window replacement can increase the overall value of your property. Aesthetic improvements, along with the added energy efficiency, can make your property more desirable to potential buyers or tenants. In addition, updated windows can help you stay competitive in the market by meeting modern standards for energy performance and safety. If you plan to sell or lease your property, new windows are an appealing feature that can set your property apart from others in Frederick. Whether you're upgrading for future resale or to attract higher-paying tenants, window replacement is a proven way to boost your property's market value. Better security and safety. Windows are one of the primary points of entry for intruders, and old or damaged windows may not offer the level of security needed to protect your property. Modern commercial windows are built with advanced locking mechanisms and shatter-resistant glass, providing enhanced security for your building. Replacing old, fragile windows with new, secure models can reduce the risk of break-ins, ensuring the safety of your assets, employees, and tenants. In addition to security, Window replacement can address safety concerns, particularly in areas prone to storms or extreme weather conditions. Impact-resistant windows can protect your building from damage caused by high winds, flying debris, or severe weather events common in Frederick, giving you peace of mind knowing your property is well protected. Noise reduction. In a busy commercial area, noise pollution can be a significant problem, particularly for businesses that require a quiet environment. If your property is located near a busy street, railroad track, or airport, excessive noise can be disruptive to employees and customers. Modern windows, especially double or triple glazed options, can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your building. This can create a more comfortable working environment, improving employee productivity and enhancing the experience for visitors. Reduced maintenance cost. Older windows are prone to issues such as leaks, cracks, and difficulty opening or closing. Constant repairs and maintenance not only add to your costs but can also disrupt daily operations. By replacing outdated windows with newer, more durable options, you can significantly reduce the frequency of repairs and the associated costs. Furthermore, modern windows are built to last longer, which means fewer maintenance headaches in the years to come. Conclusion. Window replacement is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a vital part of maintaining the long-term efficiency, safety, and appeal of your Frederick commercial property. Whether you're looking to cut energy costs, improve the aesthetics of your building, or increase its value, new windows are an investment that will pay off in many ways. If your current windows are outdated or damaged, now is the time to consider upgrading to ensure that your property is well equipped for the future.